Welcome to Art Union Daily Journal Art. This video is all about the history behind journal art. In this video, introduction of journal art. How did it evolve from ancient to modern times? Are there any specific rules for creating journal art? In what ways has it influenced Indian people of today's generation? Introduction of journal art. Hodgson and Graves print publishers from London, UK who introduced journal art to the world on February 15, 1839, which was before titled as Art Union Monthly Journal. How it evolved from ancient to modern times. Ancient art journal. Medieval manuscripts. Monks and scribes created illuminated manuscripts, handwritten books with intricate borders, illustrations, and decoration. Renaissance sketchbooks. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci kept notebooks filled with sketches, observations, scientific diagrams, and personal notes. These sketchbooks merged art, science, and journaling in a way that deeply influenced future generations. Modern art journaling. Surrealists or automatism. Surrealist artists used automatic drawing and writing to access the subconscious. This practice influenced expressive journaling, encouraging artists to let emotions and impulses guide them. Scrapbooking or mixed media. Scrapbooking became a popular hobby in the mid-20th century. It blended memory keeping with design, inspiring the use of mixed media, paper, photos, paint, ephemera, in journals. Art therapy or self-discovery. Art journaling became a therapeutic tool for self-expression and mental health. Psychologists and therapists began using visual journaling to help patients explore feelings and experiences. Digital age or online communities. With platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, art journaling exploded in popularity. Artists share tutorials, prompts, and journal tours, creating a global community. Styles range from minimalist and abstract to colorful and collage-heavy. Are there any specific rules for creating journal art? No, there are no fixed rules when it comes to journal art. You can use sketchbook, diary, vision board, scrapbook, planner, or all of the above. Your journal is your space. You can use it to reflect, express emotions, tell stories, or simply have fun. The beauty of journal art is that it's totally freeform, you can make your own rules. It's all about personal expression and creativity. You can write, draw, paint, collage, or mix all of them together, however you want. It doesn't have to look perfect, and there's no right way to do it. In what ways has it influenced Indian people of today's generation? Journal art is making a strong impact on today's Indian generation by encouraging mental wellness and a blend of tradition with modern identity. It gives people, especially the youth, a space to express emotions, manage stress, and reflect on their thoughts through art, writing, and design. It's also helping revive cultural elements like Rangoli patterns, Desi proverbs, festival memories, and regional languages. With the rise of digital platforms, journaling has turned into a community movement, connecting people and even inspiring new small businesses focused on handmade journals, stickers, and art supplies. In short, journal art is helping modern Indian people to connect with themselves, celebrate culture, and stay creative. To stay creative and connect with yourself, his channel brings you handmade journaling ideas. Watch, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.